Taking a look at NIO stock here, and it may look a little scary since we've been making lower lows here for the past, honestly, for the past like few years. If we zoom out here, we can see that the low of all time is at $1.19. And personally, this may sound a bit extreme, but what I'm viewing is anything below $6, or specifically anything below $5.80, could be a potential loading phase for NIO stock. And so we did shake off a lot of the people that wanted to sell off or sell out of NIO stock. And I think here we are having the positions of people who are actually wanting to hold into NIO stock long term. So anything between 120 and 580, which is an extreme wide range of entry, is a dip opportunity in my personal opinion. Take that with a grain of salt. I'm not forcing anyone to buy, sell, or hold. I'm just sharing with you. I think anything below 580 down to about 120 is going to be that loading phase. Like I said, it's obvious that we could potentially make lower lows, but the significance difference is once we break back above 580, which I believe will occur at some point for NIO stock, you may potentially see a move back up to this resistance level of $11.35. And so this is hypothetically, if your average was $5.80, you entered at 580, a move up to about $11.30 is close to about 93% move to the top side. If you want to measure it from our current price as of $3.59, that's right around a 220% move to the top side here for NIO stock. And so definitely keep that in mind, but also know that, of course we could potentially make lower lows, which we've been doing here the last couple of years. And if you want to just talk about the last couple of weeks here, we've been making lower lows as well. You can see $1.19 is going to be a 66% drop. So in the short term, know that it's possible we might get a big pullback or continue selling off. But if you are a long-term investor and you believe in NIO company and you believe that there is going to be a lot more upside for NIO stock, I would personally view that between 119 and 580 is a dip range loading zone opportunity. Let me know what your thoughts are down below with NIO. Let me know how long you've been holding NIO stock for. I know there's been a handful of people that talked to me and said they've been holding NIO for quite some time, and some of them regretting that they didn't take profits here when it was between 50 and 66. But again, here we are at these lows, and I think you're going to start to see a lot of people buy into NIO stock, especially at these lows. And so I'm pretty optimistic in NIO long term, and in terms of even a major swing, I think NIO will have its move back up to its double digits at some point. Okay. If you don't have a community yet for NIO stock, feel free to join our Discord. We do have a dedicated chat section for NIO. We have over 32,000 people, and we also filter out all the bots. NIO, in our Discord, if you do ever want to ask questions or share due diligence, the NIO chat section is pretty nice and pretty neat as well. QR code on the left side for Discord, link down below in the description for Discord as well. And again, over 32,000 people. If you are looking for live entries and exits on stocks and options, and this does include NIO as well, feel free to join our Patreon if you want to support the community and view those benefits. Patreon here, QR code on the left side, and then also down below in the description of the video, it's going to be the second link. And like I said, there's going to be a 90% off permanent discount going on right now. It's a special promotion as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. And so check out the Patreon, see if there's any available spots. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for NIO.